Mandrillus sphinx is the world's largest and one of the most colorful monkeys, known for its vibrant blue and red facial markings and bright rump. Native to the rainforests of West Central Africa, often mistaken for a baboon, but more closely related to mangabeys, living in large social groups, hordes, and communicating through color displays and vocalizations, with males being significantly larger and brighter than females. Key characteristics: appearance: striking red and blue ridges on the muzzle, red lips, blue cheeks, and colorful hindquarters. Males are much larger and more colorful, with brighter colors indicating dominance, says the Los Angeles Zoo. Size: largest monkey species. Males can weigh up to 70 pounds, 30 kilograms or more, while females are much smaller, notes Fact Animal and AZ Animals. Habitat: tropical rainforests and savannas in countries like Gabon, Cameroon, and the Congo. Diet: omnivores, eating fruits, seeds, leaves, fungi, insects, and small animals. Social structure: live in large complex groups called hordes, with dominant males leading and mating, says Chester Zoo and Durham University. Communication: use their bright colors, facial expressions, like the silent bared teeth gesture, which is friendly, and vocalizations, roars, grunts, to communicate, notes Wikipedia and Africa Geographic. Conservation: classified as a vulnerable species, according to Wikipedia and Columbus Zoo. Mandrill predators and survival skills. Mandrills live in dense African rainforests where danger is a constant presence. Their primary natural predators include leopards, which are agile and stealthy hunters, large snakes such as pythons that can ambush them from trees, and birds of prey like crowned eagles that mainly target infants and juveniles. To survive in such a threatening environment, mandrills have developed a variety of effective survival strategies. One of the most important defenses mandrills rely on is group living. Mandrills form large troops that may contain hundreds of individuals. Moving together reduces the likelihood of predator attacks, as predators are less likely to target a large alert group. Within the troop, individuals watch for danger and respond quickly to threats. Mandrills also use a complex system of alarm calls and vocalizations. When danger is detected, loud warning calls alert the rest of the troop. These signals may cause mandrills to flee into trees, cluster together, or prepare to defend themselves. This rapid communication greatly increases the survival chances of the entire group. Physical strength also plays a key role in defense. Mandrills possess powerful bodies and long, sharp canine teeth that can be used to intimidate predators. Dominant males, in particular, may display aggressive behaviors such as baring their teeth, pounding the ground, vocalizing loudly, or charging forward. Their vivid facial colors, bright blues and reds, may enhance these displays by making them appear larger and more threatening, discouraging predators from attacking. Mandrill reproduction and family structure. Mandrill reproduction is closely linked to environmental conditions. Breeding typically occurs during seasons when food is plentiful, ensuring that mothers have enough nutrition to support pregnancy and nursing. Dominant males have the greatest mating success because their large size, strength, and bright coloration signal good health and strong genetics. Female mandrills often choose these dominant males, increasing the likelihood that their offspring will survive. After mating, females experience a gestation period of approximately 175 days, or nearly 6 months. Most females give birth to a single infant, allowing them to invest significant time and energy into caring for their young. Family relationships are central to mandrill society. Mothers form deep bonds with their infants, carrying them for the first months of life and providing constant protection. Young mandrills stay close to their mothers while gradually becoming more independent. Play is an essential part of juvenile development. Young mandrills wrestle, chase one another, and climb trees together. These playful interactions help them build physical strength, coordination, and social skills that will be crucial in adulthood. Grooming between family members further strengthens social bonds and maintains group harmony. Role of mandrills in the ecosystem. Mandrills play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of rainforest ecosystems. As omnivores, they consume fruits, seeds, insects, roots, and small animals. While traveling long distances in search of food, Mandrills spread seeds through their droppings, aiding in seed dispersal and promoting forest regeneration. By feeding on insects and small animals, mandrills help regulate insect populations, preventing overpopulation that could damage plant life. Their habit of digging for roots and tubers also aerates the soil, improving water absorption and nutrient distribution for plants. Because mandrills depend on large, healthy forest areas, scientists consider them an indicator species. When mandrill populations decline, it often signals broader environmental problems, such as deforestation or ecosystem imbalance. Monitoring mandrills helps conservationists assess the overall health of rainforest habitats, mandrills and humans. Human activities have had both harmful and beneficial impacts on mandrills. In some regions, mandrills are hunted for bushmeat, which has significantly reduced their numbers. Additionally, deforestation caused by logging, agriculture, and road construction has destroyed large portions of their natural habitat, forcing mandrills into smaller, fragmented areas. Despite these challenges, humans also play an important role in mandrill protection. Scientists study mandrills to better understand primate intelligence, communication, and social behavior. This research contributes valuable knowledge to conservation biology and helps inform protection strategies. Zoos and wildlife sanctuaries also support mandrill conservation by providing safe environments, conducting breeding programs, and educating the public. In some African regions, mandrills have become symbols of rainforest conservation, helping inspire local and global efforts to protect natural habitats. Mandrill conservation and protection. Mandrills are currently classified as vulnerable, mainly due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservation organizations work to protect mandrills by preserving rainforest habitats, enforcing hunting regulations, and supporting anti-poaching efforts. Protected areas such as national parks and wildlife reserves provide mandrills with safe spaces to live, feed, and reproduce. Conservationists also collaborate with local communities to promote sustainable farming practices and alternative food sources, reducing the need for hunting wildlife. Education plays a vital role in conservation success. When people understand the importance of mandrills to rainforest ecosystems, they are more likely to support conservation initiatives. Public awareness campaigns help build respect for wildlife and encourage long-term environmental stewardship. Interesting mandrill facts. Mandrills have the brightest facial colors of any mammal. Male mandrills are much larger than females and can weigh nearly twice as much. Their facial colors become brighter when they are healthy, confident, or dominant. Mandrills can recognize individual faces within their troop. Despite their fierce appearance, mandrills spend much of their time playing, grooming, and socializing. Mandrills are intelligent, social, and visually striking animals that play an essential role in rainforest ecosystems. Their survival depends on strong social bonds, effective communication, and adaptation to a challenging environment. However, habitat destruction and hunting threaten their future. Conservation efforts, education, and habitat protection are crucial to ensuring that mandrills continue to thrive. By learning about mandrills, we gain valuable insight into rainforest life and the importance of protecting Earth's biodiversity. The life of the mandrill. Mandrills are one of the most unique and recognizable primates in the world. They live in the dense tropical rainforests of Central Africa, mainly in countries such as Gabon, Cameroon, and the Republic of the Congo. These forests provide thick vegetation, warm temperatures, and plenty of food sources, making them ideal habitats for mandrills. Mandrills are mostly terrestrial, meaning they spend much of their time on the forest floor. However, they are also excellent climbers and will climb trees to sleep at night or to escape danger. Sleeping in trees helps protect them from predators such as leopards. During the day, mandrills travel long distances across the forest floor, searching for food. One of the most important aspects of mandrill life is their social structure. Mandrills live in very large groups called troops, which can range from a few dozen individuals to over 1,000 mandrills in some cases. These troops are usually led by dominant males who are easy to recognize because of their bright red and blue faces and colorful rumps. The bright coloring helps show strength and dominance and plays a role in attracting mates. Mandrills communicate with each other in many ways. They use vocal sounds, such as grunts and roars, to warn of danger or keep the group together. They also rely heavily on facial expressions and body language. Showing teeth, raising eyebrows, or making eye contact can signal aggression, submission, or friendliness. This complex communication helps maintain order within large groups. Living in a troop provides safety, companionship, and better chances of survival. Young mandrills learn important skills by watching older members of the group, such as where to find food and how to respond to threats. How long mandrills live for. The lifespan of a mandrill depends largely on its environment. In the wild, mandrills typically live around 18 to 20 years. Life in the rainforest can be dangerous, with threats such as predators, disease, food shortages, and human activity. In captivity, such as zoos and wildlife sanctuaries, mandrills often live much longer, sometimes up to 30 years or more. This is because they receive consistent food, clean water, medical care, and protection from predators. Zoos also provide enrichment activities that help keep mandrills mentally and physically healthy. As mandrills age, their roles within the troop may change. Older mandrills may become less active, but still play important roles by sharing experience and helping maintain group stability. Just like humans, aging mandrills may develop health problems, but those in protected environments are more likely to receive care. What mandrills eat. Mandrills are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet is very diverse, which helps them survive in changing environments. Most of their food comes from plants, especially fruits, which provide energy and nutrients. They eat berries, figs, and other forest fruits when they are in season. In addition to fruit, mandrills eat leaves, seeds, nuts, roots, and bark. They often dig into the soil to find roots and bulbs using their strong hands and long canine teeth. Their powerful jaws allow them to crack open hard nuts that other animals cannot eat. Mandrills also eat animal-based foods, including insects such as ants, beetles, and termites. Sometimes they eat small animals like frogs, lizards, mice, and birds' eggs. Eating protein helps mandrills grow strong muscles and stay healthy. Mandrills spend a large part of their day foraging, which means searching for food. This activity keeps them moving and helps spread seeds throughout the forest, making mandrills important contributors to their ecosystem. How mandrills take care of their babies. Mandrill mothers are very attentive and protective of their babies. A baby mandrill is called an infant, and it is born after a pregnancy lasting about 6 months. When an infant is born, it is completely dependent on its mother for survival. During the first few weeks of life, the infant clings tightly to its mother's belly. As it grows stronger, it begins riding on her back. The mother provides milk, warmth, protection, and comfort, rarely letting the baby out of reach. If danger is nearby, the mother will quickly gather her infant and move to safety. Mothers also teach their babies important life skills. As the infant grows, it watches its mother forage for food and learns what is safe to eat. Young mandrills learn social rules by interacting with other members of the troop, such as how to play gently and when to show respect to dominant adults. Other females in the troop sometimes help watch over the babies, a behavior known as alloparenting. This cooperation strengthens social bonds within the group and gives infants more protection. Mandrill infants stay close to their mothers for several months and may continue to rely on them for guidance for years. This long period of care helps young mandrills grow into strong, socially skilled adults. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you. Let's continue.